to be making pasta recipe. This is a very simple recipe, guys. So guys, this is my pasta that I will be using. My water is already boiling. I'm just going to open this up and pour it into the water. This is the sachet it came in. This is my clean bowl. So this is how it looks. I am going to pour it now in my boiling water. So guys, pour it inside. And then cover it. For my meat, I'm using, this is a turkey. To be cutting this turkey into small sections. This is 2 here and 2 on the side. So now guys, so this is my clean pot over here. I'm going to put my meat inside. Then I will add in spices. This is my chopped onions. I've got dried thyme, just a little sprinkle. Then of course my salt, my curry powder, and then my seasoning cube. I will add in a little water. Vegetables that I will be frying, I'm going to be using this red pepper. I've got 1 red pepper, 1 onion, then 3 scotch bonnet pepper. If you love peppers, you can increase it or decrease it. So I'm going to be using tomato. This is a green peas. Right guys, this is a green peas, so I'll be using this as well. in this pepper. My tomato and this red pepper will go in now. I will add in my seasonings. This is curry powder, pinch of salt, just a little bit, and then my thyme, this is my peas. My stock water will go in now. I will taste for seasoning. This is good, guys. This is really yummy and simple to make. At this point, guys, if you're new here, you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, join the gifted family, be a part of this wonderful channel. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the new uploads. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay, guys? So guys, now my meat will go in. So guys, my meat is in. I want my meat to soak in all of this wonderful goodness. The juice should go inside my meat so that when I'm cracking the bone, I will be cracking the sucking the juice. I will cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding in my pasta. This is my sauce, guys. The aroma is so amazing. It is now time to add in my So guys, you make sure to stir it very well so that the sauce and the pasta can combine together. Just look at this, guys. This is so amazing. The aroma is everything, guys. So guys, as you can see, the pasta is really easy to make. With just few ingredients, I was able to achieve this yummy food, guys. This is so amazing. It is really easy to make, as you have seen, and with just few ingredients I was able to achieve this yummy pasta, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wow, guys,